Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to undo sent emails in Gmail mobile app. To undo a sent email in the Gmail mobile app, Android or iOS, tap the undo button on the pop-up notification at the bottom of the screen immediately after hitting send. This notification only pops up for a few seconds, usually 5 to 30 seconds, allowing you to bring back the email as a draft. So if you wanted a demonstration, let me demonstrate. Let's say I'm sending email to this person. Say hi, yada, yada, yada. Okay. And let's say I misspelled something, right? And I hit send without thinking about it. Now all I gotta do is just hit undo here below. And now the email will be brought back as a draft to edit it, or basically you can keep it there and go back to finishing up later. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, catch you.